And they're all in line. They're off. Wall Street Kitten from the outside was away well. Down to the inside, Sub-Midnight Star is showing speed, and moving between horses is T-minus to mix it up. These are the three quickest in the run out of the 1 mile chute. It will be T-minus to take up the running. From the inside, Sub-Midnight Star second, Wall Street Kitten is third, Ben Jacob is now fourth. From the rail, it's Just for Fun on hold while fifth. He's only about 3 behind. He's a length better than Deputy Vic. Then to the outside, Mr. Fahrenheit, and Power will have to do it from last. After the opening quarter went in 24 seconds, there are 4 horses across the racetrack. Some Midnight Star and Harry Hernandez with inside position. They lead at a half a length. 3 wide is Wall Street Kitten, and the 2 path is T-minus. 4 wide is Ben Jacob. Then it's a length and a half to Just for Fun. He's comfortable while fifth, and he's about 4 behind the leader now. Stretch of another 3 to Mr. Fahrenheit, then Deputy Vic, and Power. They make their way to the far turn. They went 47 seconds flat for the opening half-mile speed. Some Midnight Star continues to lead it. Wall Street Kitten is wide on the outside. T-minus is scrubbed along. Just for Fun has had a cozy run of it. He's down to the inside for Gaffleone. He's moving into a joint second at the 5/16. Needs a little racing room. Mr. Fahrenheit moves from the outside. He's wide on the course. They run to the top of the stretch. 3/4, 1:12 and 2 into the stretch with Some Midnight Star still in front. Ben Jacob to the attack on the outside and up the fence. Here's Just for Fun. On the far outside, Wall Street Kitten is back fourth. There's an 1/8 of a mile to go. Far outside, it's Ben Jacob who moves to the front at 13-1. Just for Fun tries to kick with him on the inside. 16th pole, Just for Fun. Ben Jacob. Ben Jacob short lead. Ben Jacob the winner. To 66.50. That's a 50-cent try. The double 65.80. The pick 3 157.50. Dollar Super $834.40. Early pick 4 today. Numbers were 5, 3, 3, 7, $599.70.